How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. If you're tired of YouTube recommending videos you don't care about, in this video I'll show you how to disable recommended videos on the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app and make sure that you are logged in with the correct Google account. Now from the bottom right, tap on your profile, and on the top you can see settings option. Tap on it and tap on your data in YouTube. Now scroll and find YouTube watch history, and there you can see the option to manage your YouTube watch history. Tap on it and tap on delete. Then you'll see the option to delete all time. Tap on it and just confirm your option to delete. This will clear all the recommendation on YouTube. Just hit got it and go back to the home page and reload. YouTube will no longer be recommending videos that you don't want to see. And that's it for the video. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.